Start by ensuring the drain pan and unit base are completely dry and free of any debris before reassembling the unit. After rinsing the evaporator coil, tilt the unit slightly toward the drain and use a wet vacuum to remove pooled water from the drain pan and base, working methodically from the far side toward the drain to avoid leaving residue. Follow the vacuum pass with absorbent lint-free rags to wipe every accessible surface, pressing into corners and under mounting flanges where water can hide. Inspect the drain opening with a flashlight and a narrow mirror or a flexible inspection camera if available to confirm there is no trapped debris such as leaves, sludge, or lint that could block flow. Flush the drain with warm water and a quarter cup of diluted enzyme cleaner or a light vinegar solution to remove organic films, then vacuum again to extract the rinse. If the unit has a condensate trap, remove and clear it of buildup before reinstalling to prevent future backups. Finally, let the pan air dry for a few minutes while running the system fan on low to evaporate remaining moisture. Then perform a last wipe and visual check before closing panels. Common mistakes include assuming the initial vacuum pass is sufficient, which leaves thin films that promote mold, so always follow with rags and a rinse. Neglecting the drain trap or trap seal, which can hide clogs, so remove and inspect the trap during service. And closing panels without checking for small debris under mounting flanges, which causes recurring blockages, so use a mirror or feel with a gloved hand along seams before reassembly. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with project leads and community feedback. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, troubleshoot issues, and learn from real homeowner and contractor experiences.